Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic fractions. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now let's have a look at the brief lesson. So we're asked to simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. So we have this algebraic fraction here divided by this one. Now the rule is when division takes place, you turn this fraction upside down and you multiply. So that's exactly what we've done. And we've also factorised to save time. So m squared plus 3m plus 2, we have that here. M squared minus 4 is there. We've inverted that. So the m minus 2 all squared is the numerator, and that's the factorisation. And the m plus 1 all squared is now the denominator, and that's the factorisation. So I've copied that here so we can just do the cancelling, and that's the original one here, but this here is so we can cancel. So the m plus 2 cancels with the m plus 2, the m plus 1 cancels with the m plus 1, the m minus 2 cancels with the m minus 2, and the answer is m minus 2 over m plus 1. So believe it or not, that is the simplification of this original sum here. Number 2, we have this algebraic fraction divided by this one. We turn this algebraic fraction upside down and do multiplication, and that's what we've done here. So we have done our factorisation for each of those expressions, and all we do now, I've transposed that down there, so that enables us to do the cancelling. So the m plus 4 cancels with the m plus 4, m plus 3 cancels with m plus 3, m minus 4 cancels with m minus 4, and we're left with m minus 4 over m plus 3. So we've seen two very straightforward examples which show us the process involved when dividing algebraic fractions. And all you do, you take the second fraction, you turn it upside down, and you proceed to multiply. It's really that straightforward. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by writing a rap song at the beginning about algebraic fractions. And I hope you enjoyed that presentation.